Hi everyone, I'm back, and today I want to talk about a face pack which I'm going to use right now. Just before applying the face pack, I would like to tell everyone, please wash your face clean. There should be nothing on your face. I have washed my face clean, and nothing else is there on my face except a lip balm, which I usually put because it's too dry and my lips gets extremely dry. So I want to tell is like now during I've got some pimples on my forehead. If you can notice, this is during periods where my body is too hot and it comes out due to heat and whatsoever. I get a lot of pimples on only on my forehead, and after my periods, it eventually goes and no marks left. This is like I'm habituated to this. It happens always. So right now I want to talk about the pack which I'm going to use right now. That is sandalwood pack. Usually I'd have a sandalwood stick, which I really don't know where I kept it right now, and I have this. In this I actually rub the stick and make a powder, which takes a lot of time, and then I take rose water and I apply it. But right now I don't have so much patience for that because I really want to do it fast. So what I'll do is I'll be applying the sandal face pack, which I got from Ooty. That's a hill station in South India. So I'll be applying this pack, and this pack is why I apply this pack, because it makes my skin extremely dry in a sense for people with pimples, and who are acne prone, who have acne prone who have acne prone skin can actually put this, so that they it dries it off, and it usually is for an oily skin. So if you don't have this pack, mostly people won't be having this pack, you can have a sandalwood stick, grind it with this, otherwise it will not come out. Keep on grinding it, and then you can take chilled rose water and make a pack of it and apply it on your face and wash it out of 15 minutes. This is for oily skin or acne prone skin. Like I have acne here, I want to apply it, and I feel I'm getting it here also because it's the time which I get it usually. And I always put this, usually I put my pack in the bathroom, but now I can't do that. So I applied this so that my clothes don't get dirty. Tie your hair so that there should be nothing on your face. Your skin should be absolutely good. And the people who are having extremely dry skin, I would recommend you not to put this, not the sandalwood and rose water pack. You can take the sandalwood and you can put malai in it, that is cream, or curd. Make a pack of it, apply it for like 15 minutes and wash off. That's for extremely dry skin. Otherwise you can, combination skin can apply this. It's good. So what I will be doing is that in this video I'll be applying the pack. In my next video I will be washing off and showing it to you. So how do I apply it is like this. Quick. I can't be slow with this, because you all will get bored if I go so slow. What? Yeah, leave the area around your eyes. Oh my god, I come too close. But I should have kept a mirror. Actually, I've just started making videos, so I'm not too much, I will be a little careful next time. But please don't get very close to your eyes. Around mouth, I usually do it. It becomes very dry, but I'll prefer it right now because there are chances of me getting pimples. Oh yeah. So usually I apply it on my neck also, but right now I can't. So, and I don't get too close to your eyes. I think this much is okay. Don't get too close, and if your skin is too dry there, leave those areas. Where your skin is too dry, leave those, because this actually makes your skin extremely dry. Okay, please remember and listen carefully that this pack actually makes your skin dry. If you have oily skin, this is very good. If you don't have an oily skin, please back off from this Guatemala. Now this is my main area where my skin is maximum very oily. What you can do in this pack is for more cooling effect, you can put rose water, but I will not want to put rose water because this pack is enough, and I get a good relief from this pack. It's cool enough. Yeah. How is it? How am I looking? funny. Oopa. So I will wait for this to dry. Maybe if it dries before 15 minutes, I'll wash it off, because I already feel it's drying. So maybe another 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So for that, I won't be going ahead showing you the washing part and everything. I'll come back in my next video with the after washing, and I'll talk about something else. So this is the pack. If you're going down south, and if you're going to this South India, the ones who don't know, who are not from India, South India, that's Ooty, a hill station, this pack you will actually get it, and it's good. Sandal face pack. Otherwise, try to get a sandalwood stick, and you should have this is a must, because otherwise it's not easy to take it out. And rose water, that's more than enough. And for acne prone skin, this pack is awesome, and usually I put this pack just during those pathetic days. See ya. If you like this video and you find it beneficial to you, please like it and give me some comments as to what other videos you like to see me doing. Bye.